legendary name returns. The Yamaha DT 175 is back for 2026, and it's bringing classic Enduro vibes to a whole new generation of riders. But does it live up to the legacy? Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Yamaha DT 175, a modern revival of one of the most beloved lightweight trail bikes ever made. Let's dive in. Design. Visually, Yamaha has struck a beautiful balance between retro styling and modern refinement. The slim profile, high mount fender, and minimalist bodywork pay tribute to the original DT series. Yet, everything feels updated. Cleaner lines, quality plastics, and LED lighting front and rear. It's lightweight, narrow, and looks ready for adventure straight out of the box. Performance. Powering this machine is a 175cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine. It's simple, reliable, and delivers punchy low-end torque perfect for trails and city streets alike. Don't expect highway speeds here. This bike thrives on back roads and dirt paths. The suspension handles rough terrain confidently, and the overall weight makes it incredibly easy to maneuver in tight situations. Features and technology. Technology remains intentionally simple. A compact digital display provides essential information without distractions. Fuel injection ensures easy cold starts and consistent performance. The seat height is accessible, making this an excellent choice for newer riders or anyone wanting a fun, no-fuss machine. Conclusion. The 2026 DT 175 isn't about chasing specs. It's about pure riding enjoyment in a simple, honest package. If you enjoyed this review, leave a comment with your thoughts below. Smash that like button, share this with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Catch you next time.